Stay Guruppiyo Namaga children. Today we are going to learn conversions of metric measures exercise 5.1. In this, what are the topics we are going to cover? The first one is conversion from a larger unit to a smaller unit. Larger unit to a smaller unit. To convert a larger to a smaller metric unit, multiply the number. What you want to do? Multiply the number by a power of 10. This is very, very important. Multiply the number by a power of 10. So 10, 10 square, 10 cube. Okay, like that you want to multiply. It means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, it will goes. Okay, so while converting larger unit to a smaller unit, what do you want to do, children? We have to multiply by a power of 10. Okay, and second one, conversion from a smaller unit to a larger unit. Small to large if you go means what do you want to do? You have to divide the number by a power of 10. Divide by 10, divide by 100, divide by 1000 like that. Okay, children? So, while larger to smaller you want to multiply, smaller to larger you have to divide. These two things you want to keep in your mind. Okay, children? See the metric conversion chart. So this is kilo. So here basic units you see here. First basic units. What are the basic units are there? Meter, okay, gram, liter. Meter, gram, liter. Suppose I am taking the meter. Meter is given means what you will write? Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So this is the order. Here which is the higher units? Which is the highest? Kilometer is the highest unit. Okay. Which is the smaller unit? Millimeter is the smaller unit. Okay. So this is larger unit. This is smaller unit. Okay. So to convert a smaller unit, move decimal point to the right. Which side it wants to move? Right side. Or we need to multiply. Okay. So to convert a larger unit, if you are converting the larger unit, you have to divide or the decimal point move to the left side. That you should keep it in your mind. Suppose gram is given. So kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Suppose the basic unit is liter. So how will you say that? How can you read this? Kiloliters, hectoliters, decaliters, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. So do you understand, children? The metric conversions, do you understand? Okay, children. The next one, the first question, convert the following length to centimeters. 0.75 meter. What unit is given here? Meter is given. So we are going to convert into centimeters. Okay. So you want to know the relation between meter and centimeter. First you write that order: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So what is given? Meter is given. We are going to convert into centimeter. So meter to decimeter you want to move. After that only you have to reach centimeter. Okay. How many jumps you did that? 2 jumps here. For each jump we have to multiply by 10. Okay. So 10 tens are 100. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So here how many meter is given? 0.75 meter equal to 0.75 75 into 100 centimeter. Okay, so now multiply this 7500. Okay, see here, how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places are there. Just you keep it here. What you will get? 75 centimeter. Okay, children. So what is the answer? 0.75 meter equal to 75 centimeter. You understand, children? So this is the answer. 0.75 meter equal to 75 centimeter. See the next one. 42.05 meter. Here what unit is given? Meter is given. We are going to convert into centimeter. We already found the relationship. Okay. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. First you write it. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. How many meters is given here? 42.05 meter equal to 42.05 into 100. So what you will get? 4205. While multiplying by 100, 2 zeros we added. Now see the question. How many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. Just you keep it here, decimal. So cancel this. So what you are getting? 4205 centimeter. Okay. So what is the answer, children? 42.05 meter equal to 4205 centimeter. Do you understand, children? Let's move on to the next question. 702.4 meter. Meter is given. We are going to convert into centimeter. So what is the relationship, children? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Because larger to smaller we are converting. So that we need to multiply. Okay. So 702.4 meter equal to 702.4 into 100 centimeter. Okay. So 702,400. Okay. Now see here, one decimal is there. So here you keep the decimal. So you cancel this. What you will get? 70,240 centimeter. So 702.4 meter equal to 70,240 centimeter. Do you understand, children? See the next one. 9,875.04 meters. So meter we are going to convert into centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 9,875.04 meter equal to 9,875.04 into 100 centimeter. So 9,875.04, 2 zeros you put it. Now see the question, how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. So cancel this. What you are getting? 9,87,504 centimeter. So 9,875.04 meter equal to 9,87,504 centimeter. Do you understand, children? See the next question. Express each sum in its lowest given unit. Lowest given unit. Here what are the units are given? Centimeter and meter is given. So here lowest unit is, lower unit is centimeter. So we have to convert into centimeter. So the meter we want to convert into centimeter. So you keep the centimeter as it is. Okay. So before finding this, you write the relationship. Okay. So what is the relations between meter and centimeter? In previous question, we found that. What we found that? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. So, first you try this 53 centimeter plus 0.4 meter equal to centimeter, just keep it this. Because meter only we are going to convert into centimeter. Okay. So, 0.4 into 100 centimeter. So, 53 centimeter plus 0.4 into 100, what you will get, children? 400. Here you just keep the decimal. The 0 will eliminate because one decimal is there. So, 53 plus 40. 53 plus 40, what you will get, children? 93 centimeter. The decimal is there. Okay, we cancel this. Okay, so what is the answer? 53 centimeter plus 0.4 meter equal to 93 centimeter. You understand, children? See the next one. 9 meter plus 34 centimeter. Okay, here smaller unit is centimeter. So we are going to convert everything in centimeter. So this meter you want to change into centimeter. First you write the relation. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so 9 meter plus 34 centimeter equal to 9 into 100 centimeter plus 34 centimeter. 9 into 100, what you will get, children? 900 centimeter plus 34 centimeter. Okay, 900 plus 34, what you will get? 934 centimeter. Okay, so what is the answer, children? 9 meter plus 34 centimeter equal to 934 centimeter. You understand, children? Okay, children. See the next one. 34 centimeter, 18 millimeter, 0.5 meter. So here, which is the lower unit, which is the smaller unit? Millimeter is the smaller unit. Okay, first you write the order. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. First one, centimeter is there. So, centimeter, millimeter, meter. Here, millimeter is smaller unit. So, centimeter and meter I am going to convert into millimeter. Okay. First, you write the relations between centimeter and millimeter. Here, centimeters is there. Okay. Centimeter is the larger unit. Millimeter is the smaller unit. So, we are moving this. So, you want to multiply by 10. So, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, first you convert 34 centimeter equal to 34 into 10 equal to 340 millimeter. Okay, next millimeter you just keep it as it is. This meter we want to change into millimeter. Okay, for meter you find out 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps we want to do. Okay, 3 jump you want to do. Okay, so into 10 into 10 into 10. So what is the relations between millimeter and meter? 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay, so 0.5 meter equal to 0.5 into 1000. So 5000. Here one decimal is there. Just keep it here. Cancel. So 500 millimeter. Now we add this 34 centimeter plus 18 millimeter plus 0.5 meter equal to 34 centimeter is equal to 340 millimeter. So you have to write 340 millimeter plus 80 millimeter plus 0.5 meter is equal to 500 millimeter. Now you should add this. What you will get? Here 500, 340, 80, 8, 5, 8. So 858 millimeter. So 34 centimeter plus 18 millimeter plus 0.5 meter equal to 858 millimeter. You understand, children? Okay, children. See the next one. Express as meters. So kilometer we are going to convert into meters. First you write the order: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So kilometer to meter you are moving. Larger to smaller you are moving. So larger to smaller if you move means you want to multiply. So one jump, second jump, third jump. Okay, so into 10, into 10, into 10. Okay, so now 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 3.5 kilometer equal to 3.5 into 1000 meter. Multiply this 350 0 0. Okay, here one decimal is there. Just keep it here. So you cancel this. What you will get? 3500 meter. So what is the answer, children? 3.5 kilometer equal to 3500 meter. You understand, children? See the next one. Five kilometer, 24 meter. We found the relation, no? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 5 kilometer, 24 meter equal to 5 kilometer. How can you write this, children? 5 into 1000 meter plus 24 meter, because already it is in the meter, we are going to add only. Okay, so 5 into 1000, 5000 meter plus 24 meter. 5000 plus 24 you get 5024 meter. So what is the answer, children? 5 kilometer, 24 meter equal to 5024 meter. Do you understand, children? Okay. See the next one. How many bricks of length 30 centimeter each are needed to border a circular flower bed of circumference 3.6 meter? Okay. So circular flower bed is there. They are using the bricks to cover this. Okay, so the circumference of the circular flower bed is 3.6 meter. Okay, so the border we are putting here. So border, circles border. This is okay. So here they are using the bricks. Okay, so the length of the brick is 30 centimeter, and the circumference, is this circumference is, it means circumference. Circumference is 3.6 meter. Okay, so find the solution. Okay, so circumference equal to 3.6 meter. Then length of brick equal to 30 centimeter. See here, before finding that, we need to check the unit. We have different units. First you convert into same unit. You know very well 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Just you convert this 3.6 into 100. So what you will get? 3600. Keep the decimal here. Cancel this. What you will get? 360 centimeter. Okay. So we need to find out number of bricks. How many bricks? So number of bricks equal to circumference divided by length of one brick. So now divide this here. 360 divided by 30. 0, 0 cancel. 3 ones are 3. 3 12s are 36. So 12. Number of bricks equal to 12. Do you understand, children? The next question. If 6 pieces of equal length are cut off from a wire 8.7 meter long, what is the length of each piece? So the length we should give in centimeter. So total length of your wire is there. They cut into 6 equal parts, equal pieces they are dividing. So we need to find out a length of each piece. Solution. So length of your wire equal to 8.7 meter. First you convert into centimeter because answer they asked in centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 8.7 meter equal to 8.7 into 100 centimeter. So 8700. 1 decimals are there, just you keep it. So what you will get? 870 centimeter. 8.7 meter equal to 870 centimeter. Now number of pieces. How many pieces we are going to cut? 6 pieces. So number of pieces equal to 6. We are going to find length of each piece equal to length of your wire divided by number of pieces. So length of your wire 870 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, remaining 2 27, 4 6 are 24, remaining 3 30, 5 6 are 30. So 145 centimeter. Length of each piece equal to 145 centimeter. Do you understand, children? Length of each piece equal to length of your wire divided by number of pieces. So 870 by 6. While dividing this, what we are getting? 145 centimeter. Thank you, children.